Hey all, and welcome to Real Ale of Britain. Folks, tonight I've got another beer for you. It's from the Williams Brothers Brewery, and it's their Birds and Bees, okay, coming at 4.3% ABV. To me, this brewery is really, really good. Their beers are always top notch. I love the artwork on their bottles, but most importantly of all, I love the crown. Look at that, folks. Really, really brewed. You know, for me, breweries who put all that work into it, it just makes that extra difference. So let's crack this bad boy open and let's see what this beer is like. It's described as a golden ale, okay? And as always, poured into the Williams Brothers Brewery's pint glass. These glasses were designed for these 500ml bottles. So, this beer is pouring with medium carbonation, and it is a really nice light golden colour, okay, with a nice tint of lemon to it. Folks, look at that. Amazing. Look at the carbonation as well, streaming up. It's a two-finger head, which is lightly dispersed bubbles, okay, but it looks absolutely fantastic. So let's go straight in with the nose. Oh, the first thing you're getting grapefruit. There's some orange, there's some peach. There's white bread. There's a little bit of parsley. And that's about it, folks. So let's go straight in with a taste. Cheers. Okay. So the first thing you're getting grapefruit notes. You're getting dry wheat. You're getting a really dry kind of hay, pollen kind of a taste. There's some peach. There's a light woody, dry woody kind of taste. There's some lemon. And it's actually, this ale is very, very much like a lager. And I would say that this would be very, very good to get lager drinkers on the ale. Very good beer, folks. I'm just sitting. There's another little flavour in the background. I just don't know what it is. It's sitting in the back of the throat. Hold on. It's a mixture between white grape and kiwi. Anyway, what's the finish like in this beer? Folks, this beer is malty with really nice fresh citrus hops coming through, which leads to a light grassy bitterness. So what do I give Williams Brothers Brewery for their Birds and Bees, coming in at 4.3% ABV? This is another good example of a session ale. I think they also do this kegged version, so I would like to try that as well, folks. To me, it's a 6 out of 10, a 6 out of 10. That's Real Ale of Britain doing a review on Williams Brothers Brewery's Birds and Bees, coming in at 4.3% ABV. Cheers and Slam Cara.